What's up, guys? I'm John Grimsmo, and this is Knifemaking Tuesday week 53. As you can see, we got snow! Someone's excited. Hey, Clara. Someone's excited for snow.
No.
Snow?
No.
No? No, we got dumped on last night. All you guys in Texas, yeah, this is what Canada's like. Hey guys!
Hi guys!
How's it going? So for this week, we got a lot of really cool toys for Christmas. And I got my brother back. How was Seattle?
It was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, lots of rain, which was pleasant.
Seattle?
Yep, it was nice. Lots of friends, and an awesome day snowboarding with a ton of powder.
Where'd you go?
Stevens Pass.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was insane.
Nice. You said you were going to video up there, but...
Yeah, that didn't happen. Did last run of the day, but it was snowing, like it was a blizzard all day long. And we just never got the camera set up. We wanted to snowboard too much.
So, yeah, this week it's been a wonderful Christmas for Grimsmo Knives. Last week we got the vacuum pallet all set up, and this week we got even more toys in. Alright, what is this? Oh!
This is ATC. Like that band and... Never mind.
Da-na-na-na. It goes around the world and da-na-na-na. That one, right?
Yup. I didn't think you were gonna get that.
Oh, I got that. Oh, yes. Man, our videos are so much funny when there's two of us in the shop, I gotta say. Did I say so much funny? I don't know.
Yep.
Okay, we got a Tormach Automatic Tool Changer. And I am extremely super excited that we finally bought this. And we've had these for a while, but finally got them all out. A whole bunch more tool holders and collets. These are Tormach TTS tool holders. They've got the groove in here to use with the tool changer. This here is all the brains and electronics for the tool changer. Micro-stepping driver board, black box, magical stuff inside. On the back is all the solenoid valves and pressure switches and all that stuff. Along with that, our oven finally came in. This is the oven we used at the Tormach class about a month and a half ago. They've been hanging on to it for us and finally shipped it out with all these other goodies. So this is an Evenheat 18-inch with the fancy Rampmaster 2 controller. Like I said, we used it at the class and it was amazing. So I can't wait to set it up here and be able to utilize it in the shop. What do you have? Tell me.
Fog buster.
And what's a fog buster?
It keeps your stuff cool without getting anything too messy. You use a little bit of coolant and air mixture. It goes out this little fog busting nozzle.
Okay.
And yeah, I mean, we make a huge mess with the coolant and the flood and everything.
Yeah, this flood coolant.
Yeah. So this just keeps it cool with air and a little bit of coolant.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of misting it.
I've got a clip from the Tormach video we did, so I'll throw that in right now. Because we used this system at Tormach, and I fell in love with it.
Yeah.
Because, like Mike, the machinist at Tormach, uses it all the time instead of flood coolant, and it just makes so much less mess, and it provides just the same amount of cooling ability as flood coolant. So since the wonderful people at McMaster Car are jerks and won't ship to Canada, they won't ship to small businesses, new customers in Canada. I've been trying for like 4 years to order from them. Since they suck, yet I love everything that they sell. I made a big order from them, about $500 worth of stuff, and shipped it to one of the Tormach guys, and then they threw it in with this box and shipped it to me. So at McMaster, I got... It's been a few weeks since I ordered it, but I've got a ton of stuff in here. Adjustment knobs, some hex handles, levers, alignment pins, what are these called? Quick release pins. Shock absorber, 100 pounds. What's in here? Stainless M8 and M6 nuts. Oh, I got one of these. If you remember, a few weeks ago I was asking about like a good replacement for WD-40. I had a bunch of suggestions for what to use, and this is one of the most popular. Break-free PCL industrial lubricant. It's like a waxy kind of lubricant apparently. So it's good for slapping on the table so it doesn't rust. But yeah, all of this stuff, the majority of this stuff, will be for the grinder. And then some fixturing stuff and Norseman stuff as well. So yeah, a lot of these parts are for the grinder. Speaking of grinder, where's that other box?
Right there.
You can explain this box to us. So it's been a very good Christmas so far. Who's it from?
Santa?
Oh.
USAKnifeMaker?
Yes.
That's it. I guess it says right there.
Yeah. USAKnifeMaker. That didn't come out right.
Nope. So we got a whole bunch of 2x72 belts. We got leather strap. Got some orange thingies. Some purple stuff. Ooh, what's that purple stuff? Scotch-Brite wheels. A bunch of Trizac belts. And then all these little doohickeys for the grinder.
Yeah.
They have names for them, but
Even I'm drawing a blank for what they're called right now.
doohickeys.
Yeah, doohickeys. They're not contact wheels. The big ones are the contact wheels. Idler wheels. That's what they're called. So these
idler wheels and these are contact?
These ones are 2-inch idlers. That's a 3/4 inch idler. This is a tracking wheel. See how it's got a dome? Like a couple degree taper on either side. That's supposed to keep the belt aligned. So you make an attachment to sort of tilt this side to side. That's the drive wheel that goes on the motor. 5-inch contact wheel with a poly thingy. And a 10-inch contact wheel with a serrated poly thingy. Why am I feeling so stupid right now? Anyway, so like we've said before, other than using our little 1x30 grinder, we've never really used a big 2x72, so I just kind of got one or two of everything. And then we can use them and figure out what we like, what we want to use more of. So now, the only thing I'm missing for the grinder is all the metal. So I just got to look at my CAD file and figure out what metal I need to order and get that ordered up, and then start machining that.
310 EA.
That's not a part number.
It's the only number that's on here.
Whatever.
Trizac. Did you already cover that you got a new camera?
Yes, last week. If you watch my videos, you'd know that. My darling wife was also kind enough to get me a what's called a Space Navigator mouse for my computer. It's a 3D designing mouse meant for SolidWorks and other 3D programs that just lets you view and orient the project in all these different cool things. And I'll probably do a quick video on that at some point. But yeah, I'm really excited to start using that. Oh, what's this? Eric got me a helicopter. Over here more. There you go. Ah! These are one of those things I've wanted since I was a little kid.
I meant to let it just fall a little bit, but it didn't catch itself again.
Yeah. But yeah, I've wanted one of these since I was a little kid. You know, probably 16 years ago, my buddies and I used to be into RC planes a little bit, and helicopters were sort of the dream, you know. And now they're so cheap and affordable, it's hard not to get one. It's so much fun. Oh, almost at it. You fail.
It's awesome.
Hi. Last week sometime, also got in a large shipment of titanium. You may remember from a few weeks ago. This is my 1/2-inch titanium integral piece. So I'll be able to get 12 knives out of this thing. Basically 12, I think 3 tall by 4 wide or something like that. And super excited for this. So I'll get them water jet cut. Zoom, zoom. Along with that order came 1/4-inch rods. And, oh boy. Would you like a pizza delivery?
Ooh.
Shiny. Not really. A whole bunch of 1/8-inch titanium sheets. These ones are about, I think 18 by 24 inches by 1/8 inch, and there's 2 of these. And then there's a smaller one. I guess that's 18 by 12 or something. Yeah. So this will be able to make Norseman handles for quite a bit more than 50 pair. And yeah. Yeah, you can see how many fit into a similar size piece up there. Yeah, so I'm super excited for that. And then, where's this guy? I don't think I showed video of this last week. This is a what?
If you watch your videos.
What are you laughing at? Yeah, I don't watch my own videos. What are you talking about? Shut up. This is a very expensive piece of Timascus made by Alpha Knife Supply. Which is basically, I'm sure you know what Damascus is, very common thing. This is titanium Damascus, where they use 2 separate grades of titanium, 6Al4V, which is a common alloy, and then CP titanium, commercially pure titanium. And then they sort of squish it together and forge it into a billet of Damascus. And if you get close in on the colors there, this side is heat anodized, and then the other side I electro anodized a range of different colors just to see what it would look like. And I think the heat anodized brings out the colors much better. Brings out the color of your eye.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is going to turn into a Timascus Norseman, and which will be a very, very nice, fun project, and a very expensive knife once it's all done. Yeah. And then... And then from Alpha Knife Supply I also got 2 more sheets of titanium. So a little bit thicker. This is 0.2 inch and this is 0.138. I've just got some little side projects that I need these for. The titanium they have has a super nice surface finish. Let's put it over here.
Okay.
This is like ground smooth basically, and aside from little scratches just from handling, I mean the surface finish is really, really nice. This is what they call their KnifeMaker grade titanium, because you can see compared to the sheet on the bottom that's just raw, the surface finish is just way better and make it easier to sand and finish and stuff. Although coincidentally, these will not get sanded and finished. It's this sheet that's gonna have to be sanded and finished. So that's okay. Over here, I got a huge Tor fixture done. So these are the Tor blanks, our fixed blade knife, and this is a large fixture, goes onto the vacuum pallet that I showed you last week. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, so this will let me do 8 blades at a time. One there, 2, 2, and 2. Super duper cool. Uses pitbull clamps and Talon grip clamps from Mighty Bite to clamp everything down, and I'll show that in some future video. more in depth. But yeah, so we certainly haven't been idle this Christmas season, but it's been a very rewarding Christmas season. Santa's been very nice to us, and we've been spending a lot of money and being nice to ourselves.
It's nice to the economy.
Yes, we're supporting the economy by spending all of our money, and money that we don't have, on all these tools.
We're supporting the banks.
Yes. So, I'm a little sad that using the automatic tool changer means we have to remove this light, because apparently it interferes, like the tool changer kind of smashes into it.
Kinda, sorta, a lot.
Kinda, sorta crash. So I'm a little bummed about that. Although, let's take this light off. I sort of had an idea. You saw the light that I used last week's video. This is what we use for the videos now.
Now the backlight sucks.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll turn it off. Okay. So this is a light, we use. Now I'm probably much darker.
Yeah.
But I sort of had an idea to buy 2 really cheap versions of these and mount them like right here or something.
Just wicked spotlights.
Yeah, just one on either side. And maybe wrap them in saran wrap or something, just so they don't get all misty and coolanty. Because this light is freaking amazing for lighting up your specific, what you're doing, what you're working on. But yeah, if we can't use it, then we're sort of back to the darkness. So it's probably like 11 p.m. or something, and we're just kind of out in the garage screwing around. We might mess with the automatic tool changer some more and try to install it a little bit, or a lot. Almost had it. What's so funny?
Nothing.
But you can paraphrase it.
Just a quote from, I think, Family Guy the other night. So you have to agree with me. It's just... Can't do it.
Oh, it was the Joe's Revenge one where Joe walks into the police sergeant and the sergeant's like, "You have to agree with me. There's a difference between gay and bi-curious, right? Right?"
Like, yeah, whatever.
Although the funniest part of that episode was when Mayor West was at table.
Transformers.
Okay. We have got the tool changer installed. Level it out. Sort of putting it in various places, especially on the linear rail here, and making sure that everything is level, both side to side and front to back. Getting it all dialed in. It's pretty awesome. Well guys, what do you think? ATC installed, working perfectly. I'm in love with this thing, it's so much fun to play with. So let's call the tool and see what it does. Yeah! Let's do it again. So much fun. So this guy here is Tormach's new superfly cutter. Really excited to start using this guy. I used it in the Tormach class a little bit, but be having a lot of fun with that. So I will admit, the tool changer, while I was setting it up, it's kind of terrifying because I'm used to CNC where the machine does what you tell it to do, but the tool changer has its own programming and its own methods of doing things. So until you learn the process properly, it's sort of terrifying watching it fly all in and out, and all your expensive tools hanging in there, delicately balanced. But I've been playing with it for a couple days now, and I'm getting really comfortable with it, and it's so much fun. And to me, machining is all about the fun. So that's it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our website, grimsmoknives.com. It's where we have all of our inventory, whatever we have left, handles, knives, whatever in stock. You can pre-order the Norseman there, the Tor there, and also be sure to sign up for our newsletter, because aside from our YouTube videos, the newsletter is where all my product announcements go out. So if I have something in stock, that list gets first dibs, and then video, and then if I have anything left, it goes on the forums or whatever. So that's the order of events, and there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.